Nakita natin yung camera.
Hello. Are you looking at daddy
Nakita ang
now?
camera,
Yeah.
ano?
You're looking at daddy.
Nainig
Yeah.
ang camera, double chin.
Yeah. Yes,
Eh.
my baby.
Nainig ang double chin. Nainig ang double chin. Oh, it's so cute. Ay.
Who are you talking?
Nakita daw ako ni Mutang. Makitantang dali. Ay, kita gusto niya kuhaon kuhiya.
He wants you to pick him up when he does that.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up? Skin your Jen! Welcome back sa pang Duan the Vlog starring yours truly, Pabibo! And then si Mami, si Pabebe! Huwag kang mayo sa camera. Sige na nga. Hoy! Harap ka naman dito. Hoy! Anong problema mo dyan? Is it because I took videos of you sleeping kanina? Nahihiya ka na ba?
Buray pa ko nakakita. Pakita daw.
And of course, Pabibe! Hello, Bebe! Oh, you're not very happy today, are you? No, Bebe.
Ano na ito? Pinag-video kita bisang maraot kita.
Nagbabaray mode na si Mami Santa.
Kasi nag-video ka kahit pangit-pangit namin.
Ganun talagang buhay natin ngayon pandemic
Ikaw
eh.
parati ka lang gwapo, ako hindi.
Hindi ako guwapo. Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby boy. Hello. Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby. Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby. Is that funny? Is daddy funny? Yeah, daddy's so funny. So video natin today, Duan the Fam, we are going to be reading some thirst comments. Ayan, so kadalasan kasi gumagawa ng mga vlogger ng reaction sa hate comments or bad comments, and we have done that before too. So this time we're gonna do reactions to good comments, thirst comments, comments that make us feel warm sa ating mga puso. Char. Comments na nakakapagpaligaya sa aming mga kaluluwa. Ang comments na bumulong-bulong ng kapayapaan. Ano?
Why do you always say that word?
Kasi it's funny. Okay guys, so let's get into the vlog. So una sa lahat, we'll be reacting to some birthday wishes mula sa sister ko. After that, we're gonna read some of your comments na pinili ni Shanta. Alright, let's get into the vlog!
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to PhilTalk today.
To get this vlog started, we are going to see what my sister did for me for my birthday. Yung kapatid ko na si Amberly na nasa Australia, nagpakasal siya sa isang Pilipino. Ayan, let's basahin natin to. My big brother turned 30.
today.
What the actual hell?
You are the most random person ever. Here's you hanging out of a vehicle touching the hands of your fans. Kailan
That was
po?
after Eat Bulaga 2015.
That time you were in a boy band.
DBD, that's the foreigner trio. Yung
You were all over Filipino TV.
Shine like a star.
kami yun.
Kami yun.
Kami yan.
And that time you were on Filipino TV.
Nagpakasal ako kay Aiko
Oo
Melendez.
nga. That time you had 3 hair transplants and then became the face of the surgery. You recorded an album, pretty cool.
Yes, Universal Records with the foreigner trio.
You kind of wanted to be a pilot and did some training.
Kind of, though.
You flew a plane, di ba?
Yes.
You brought Shanta into our lives and we love her. You're a wedding host.
Yes.
Oh, and you had a baby.
Nitro.
Hashtag Nitro.
Yay.
Honestly, if I listed all the things you've done in your 30 years on this earth, we'd be here all day.
Thank you, Amberly.
That's you! Last one of Mom and Dwayne. I think Mom steals your thunder here though.
Ako yan na. Baby pa ako.
Oh, she's so pretty. Ambi's so pretty.
Unang comment.
To the super dad of Nitro and loving husband of Shanta. Oh,
Super
yun
Nitro.
Hindi, super dad.
The super dad
Ayun
of
yung third
Nitro.
comment. Super dad of Nitro and loving husband of Shanta.
Wow,
Have a
loving
blessed,
husband
wonderful
pala ako.
birthday. Stay safe and healthy.
Wow. Ang swerte mo pala sa akin, ha?
Kay ano yun, amazing Gracia. Okay, next, third comment from Flor Therese. Congratulations on your well-deserved success. I hope you replied that would be good because my birthday is coming.
Ayun, well, we're replying to you now. Sa pamagitan ng video na to. Sino
Happy
pangalan?
birthday.
Sino pangalan?
Flor Therese.
Flor Therese. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, next.
Sino next?
Ito, hindi siya...
Kinititigan ka ni baby.
Ay, Lamig. Ito, hindi siya thirst comment, but sinama ko to kasi natatawa ko.
Sige.
Sabi ni Bri E. De La Vega, congratulations! Greetings from Biringan City, Samar, Philippines! Alam ko, kasi Biringan City, yun yung Golden City sa Samar.
Mythological city. Actually, kasama ko siya sa board game na ginagawa ko. Yung Biringan City.
Ano yun, yung mga city ng mga engkanto? Yun. Sinama ko kasi natatawa ko. Okay. Lady Faith, sabi niya, he's so blessed to have you guys to be his parents.
Oh, thank you so much, Lady Faith. Sa babaeng pananampalataya.
Next, this is from Paula Abad. Imagine getting a heart from Daddy Dwayne and Mami Shanta.
Yes, imagine reading your comments sa video na to. Diba? Okay, baby?
Habang may naggaganon na sa channel mo, imagine getting a heart. This is from Faye Gacutino ata ba?
Gacutino?
Sabi niya, others, dapat ganito muna, bla bla, me, waray, Tagalog, Bisaya, English, waray, ha, mas na-amaze ako, pamati na upat na language, at ginagamit ni Shanta and Wayne pag istorya, haha, cute ko, love, mation.
Yes, halo-halo kami dito sa bahay. Alam niyo, minsan Tagalog, Bisaya, waray, English. Kasi some things are just easier to say sa Tagalog. No? Like, or yung mga expression na gano'n, like, ang kapal ng mukha mong bele. Like, minsan sinasabihin ko si Shanta na ang kapal ng mukha niya. Joke.
Hindi ka naman naggaganon sa akin, tutod na akong kainis.
Pero some things are just easier to express in Tagalog kaysa sa English. Like the word sayang. Sayang, no? Sayang in English, like, it's useless. No one really says that, no? Like, sayang, or nakakagigil tong baby na to, no? Like, how would you say that in English? You wouldn't say, I'm so giddy over this baby.
Waray,
It's just
waray,
kinda
waray,
weird,
waray
diba?
naman, waray.
Waray. Ambot ni mo, yan. There's just some phrases in different languages that are just easier to get your point across than English, di ba?
Yan. So, ang thirst comment yun kasi 4 languages ginagamit mo. Yun.
Ayun. Okay, thank you so much po.
Okay, next we have from Maribeth Domingo. Brother and sister, I really enjoyed watching your vlogs. It helps me to relieve my discomfort after my chemo treatment. Just a simple tip from a mother of 4 and a granny para hindi kayo mahirapan at mas mabilis paliguan si Baby Nitro. Sabi niya, nakaka-relieve yung vlogs mo sa discomfort niya after chemotherapy.
Oh, wow.
Sana
That's good.
gumaling na
That's
po
good to
kayo.
hear. Maraming salamat po. And
Ma'am
yes,
Maribeth
sana.
Domingo.
Sorry to hear that po, but I'm glad that the videos have helped in some way, no? Yeah. So thank you po.
Yeah. Johanna Jean Cabornay, your vlogs with Baby Nitro would always be something to look forward. I wake up between 8 to 10 p.m. before preparing to work, and I see to it I have viewed your latest vlogs.
Talaga?
An avid fan of your baby here.
Wow.
Pogi and Mistiso si Dudong.
Pogi in this
So, nag-aalat talaga siya ng time para manood ng vlogs.
Maganda po talaga yun. Maraming salamat po.
Maganda po talaga yun.
Maganda yun.
It's so funny because you're being like so proud of yourself.
Hindi ba? Maganda talaga na parang she wakes up to watch
Yeah,
us.
but the way
diba?
you said it in Tagalog, it was so funny. Eh, parang, maganda talaga yun. Thank you,
so much
Joanna
po.
Jean.
Maraming salamat.
Next, this is from Cotton Skies.
Wow.
You are the best vlogger family I watched. Fan since 100k subs.
Eh, wow,
Can I
100,000
please
subs.
get a shout out?
Nung na-receive natin yung silver play button, no? Oh, ang galing na. Nice.
Best vlogger family daw.
Wow.
Malaki mong loob. Next.
Ang bigat ng ulo ko, bebe,
This
dito
is-
sa vlog na to. Ang bigat ng ulo ko, bebe.
This is from Kim Kim. I love this family so much.
Oh, thank you,
Thank you, Kim Kim.
Maraming salamat.
Okay, next. This is from Alfredo Buena Flor. Dwayne, you made me laugh so hard nung sinabi mong yung anak nyo ay umiyak pag tumatae pero si Shanta hindi umiyak pag dumudumi. From Jackson,
Florida.
USA. Stay safe guys. Galing sa Lolo.
Maraming salamat.
Lolo Alfredo.
Lolo
Thank you
Alfredo.
po.
Thank you po.
Oh, you're a funny guy daw.
Ganun ba?
Okay, next. This is from Hannah Jane Lucero. Maghahanap na ako ng Aussie. Swerte ni Ate Shanta, talaga ngang love at the right time is sweeter. Next. Oh, yun pala yung last na.
Ayun lang yun. Okay. Guys, maraming salamat po sa sa mga magaganda yung comments sa mga YouTube video namin. So we really try to read all the comments. Pero syempre, imposibleng basahin ng lahat. Pero tuwing nag-upload kami ng video, hina-heart namin yung mga comments na binabasa namin. And dinadislike namin yung mga bashing comments. Ganun. So, yun. So, maraming salamat po. Mahalaga po ang supportan niyo sa channel namin. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our video for today. And we will see you sa sunod na Tuwanta Vlog.
Bye!
Bye guys!
Everything to me if you let me love you.